Hey people, as we all know, we do have formations of twins and triple babies, but those formation happens by nature during cell division. Do you guys wonder on creating a twin after being grown up a human, like us, after being grown up as an adult? But I always have the thought of me being at hostel and me being in my house at the same time. Is it possible? If it's possible, what are the ethical issues that we will face of it? Yes, there's a way, and that's the one we call as human cloning. Hey everyone, I'm Divyabharati Shanmugavelum. Let's go to the discussion of the topic I have chosen today, which is human cloning. Genetic engineering is currently gaining unprecedented popularity. Its usefulness in solving numerous biological problems. For example, in medicine, genetic engineering has proven to be reliable in treating numerous and various of diseases. It has been proven to be managing the challenges posed by chronic diseases such as diabetes. However, despite the numerous benefits of genetic engineering, immense criticism has been emerged, especially with ethical issues of technologies. Scientists has unparalleled dilemma of whether the reproduction of cloned organisms will cause undesirable physical and behavioral traits, leading to the shift of ethical perception on genetic engineering. Human cloning is believed to be one of the most popular biotechnological approach done by genetic engineering. Cloning refers to the process of transferring adult nuclei from the donor's cell and implanting the genetic components similar to the donor's cell. Okay. Human cloning has emerged a very controversial issue because of several aspects. One of the most significant aspects which might have influenced the understanding of scientists over the issue of human cloning could be its uncertain definition. Currently, cloning in human beings has never been defined precisely. There's no clear distinction between the use of cloning in humans to produce a new offspring for purposes of procreation or use as a biomedical tool in medicine. In addition, it has been evidenced in the initial research studies that cloning carries fatal implications, especially with regard to health risk. In regard to scientific ethical perspective, cloning has been evidenced to be accompanied with fatal outcomes. The process of genome transfer from the donor individual to the new cell is usually very complex and complicated. Therefore, it requires great precautions to avoid inefficient genetic transformation occurs. Given that the fact new offspring relies solely on the donor as the major source of the all genetic components, any inefficiency in the cloning procedure will mean the offspring is genetically deformed. Another significant ethical aspect of human cloning is unprecedented resistance by the society. From a societal ethical perspective, human cloning is regarded to as a violation of societal norms and values. Ordinarily, offsprings acquire all their genetic characteristics from their parents. Their sex and other genetic composition will be determined by both father and mother. Therefore, the offspring is a product of two individuals. In contrast, in cloning, the nuclear donor is usually one. Therefore, genetic recombination does not take place in producing the twin offspring. Meaning that implication of cloning is risk associated with reproductive cloning in humans introduce a very likelihood a loss of life. The process is considered unethical. There are other philosophical issues that have been raised concerning the nature of reproduction and human identity that reproductive cloning might violate. Okay, although many scientists claim that cloning will cure both common and jeopardizing diseases such as diabetes and degenerative brain diseases in human race, in my opinion, I personally think it has a very low percentage of success, and there are some medical concerns which cannot be overlooked. So, yeah, we have reached the last part of the video. I hope that I've given a pretty much information regarding human cloning and the ethical issues. So that's all from me. It's me, Divya Bharati Shanmugavelu, signing off. Thank you.